Welcome to The Click. This is how computers work: mouse, keyboard, and monitor. Let's start with mouse. Mouse is a computer input device, a handheld input device that lets users control the cursor on a computer screen by moving it across a surface. It helps users interact with the computer's graphical interface by clicking, selecting, dragging, and scrolling. Okay, it's basically not an output device, it's an input device, but it's a hardware component that you can touch basically in real life. And while you are moving it on a surface, it links exactly and directly to your computer's cursor, helping you move and control your computer indirectly. There are 4 types to mouse. Mechanical mouse, as you can see in here. This type is a type of a mouse that has a middle ball underneath it, and as the ball rolls, internal rulers detect the movement. The second type is optical mouse. This one uses an LED light and an optical sensor to track movement, and there is no any moving ball because this sensor and this LED light detects your movement. The third one is laser mouse. This one is like optical mouse, but instead of LED mouse, it uses a laser light, okay? And the fourth one is trackball mouse. This mouse stays in one place while the user rotates a larger ball with their fingers or thumb, and that ball detects the movement. How to use a mouse? Hold the mouse correctly, move the mouse on a surface, and they probably have a carpet, I would call it a carpet, underneath that you can move it on. And also left click. As you click on the left side, you can select an item or press a button with that. If you double click, you can open a file or folder or do other things. And if you right click, you can open a shortcut menu. Let's go for a keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter text, numbers, and commands in a computer. It consists of a set of keys arranged in a standard layout and has been one of the primary ways to interact with computers since the 1970s. So you can use keyboards to type. That's it. The parts of a keyboard are alphabetic keys, as you can see in here, function keys, F1 until F12, navigation keys, as you can see, directional keys, and all the other things are navigational keys. And we have control keys, which are these Alt key, Windows key, Control key, and other keys. Also, we have numeric keys as well, if your keyboard is a full keyboard though. How to type? Place your left index finger, okay, on F, and place your right index finger on J. These keys usually have small raised bumps to help you find them without looking. Type letters, okay? Go gently and then find the places of letters, type them and go and type, and turn on caps lock to type all letters in uppercase whenever you want it. So this is how you can type. Place your fingers in order, starting from J and F, and then just type. And then your typing will get good. Going for monitor, a computer monitor is an output device because it shows you something, right? That displays information from a computer in the form of text, images, and videos. It includes a screen, electronic components, power supply, and controls that allow users to view and interact with visual information. So anything that you do on your computer, it will be reflected and represented through your monitor, your computer's monitor, and it shows everything. The types of it is LCD monitor and LED monitor. I could not find many types for computer monitors, but we call televisions the monitor of the monitor as well. So we have 2 types for that, LCD and LED. Okay, the additional features of a monitor are touchscreen. Some monitors, we can touch them as we do with iPads and mobiles. Built-in speakers, they have built-in speakers, some of them, and also adjustable display to adjust their light, to adjust their contrast, shadow, and all that. And with that, we are done. Thank you very much for being with me. Sources page.